folk should have the best of what's going. It's Margaret's nastiness, that's what it is. She knows Father's glad to be shot of her at last, and she's by way of having a slap.
That'll be it. You're not taking kindly to the ham, I doubt.
It don't taste same as it used. I reckon there's no pig's gangs down like your own.
Have a bit of butter to your bread. It's my own making, as good as most.
Thank ye kindly, missus.
Butter not right neither?
It's ground butter, but it's not like it used. Your mother wasn't the best butter maker in countryside.
Your mum show me different next time I churn, and I'll see if I can't shape to do better.
You're a good lass. It's terrible warm. I partly what think I'd be better outside.
Aye, gang if you want. It's the best time for setting out. Look ye, I brought you a brand new pipe, and there's bacca and all. I'll fill it, shall I?
You're right good, I'm sure. It's a while now since I had a pipe. Margaret can't abide smoking house.
Seemingly she can't abide out. This gives folks a bit of pleasure.
But there's a spot under the edge, as snug, and I've been and fixed you a new seat.
Aye, it's snug. Thank ye, me lad. Who's Agnes?
Now then, don't be fretting him. Thomas, just let him be. He'll find his way about after a bit.
You talk for all the world as if he was strange folk come to stay.
Happen there's none so strange as them that comes home.
We're bothering him overmuch. Likely he's tired. Carry pots for me, will you? There's a good lad.
They clear the tea things, going in and out of the back kitchen. Christopher looks out of the window and slowly all around the room, taking in every change. Once or twice he looks rather furtively at the cottage door. Yon'll be an old fiddle by now, Father.
Nay, fiddles is always young.
It's sung me and Bob to sleep many a time when we were bairns. There's nights I wake even yet, hearing music somewheres in the dark.
Margaret's Barnes isn't fiddled to sleep. That I'll be bound.
There's no music in Margaret's house that she can hear. Never a note from dawn to dusk, barring what the birds make in the eaves.
And then when we was grown lads, we danced to the fiddle instead. Nobody could play up our feet like the old dad.
Ah, many a lad and lass it's danced into love.
Us among 'em, didn't it, Agnes? Us among 'em. We're old married folk now, but I reckon we can dance a bit yet.
Get Father to give us a tune, and we'll have a try right off.
Aye, well, and why not? 'Tisn't every day as'll bring the old man home.
We'd best not worry him though. He's tired.
Nay, not I. I'll be main glad.
Come on then, let's to it. Fiddlers is a mighty poor lot nowadays. Pilgills isn't the same without fiddling kit.
You'll have seen a terrible lot of dancing in your time.
I have that, but there's nowt like a dance in the girt barn. There it be, all light and laughing inside, and the night looking in through the doors. It's summer happened with folk coming through the meadow grass, holding their gowns to keep 'em off the dew, and t'others coming through the lanes with the sound of beck water rushing by.
Aye, that's how it was, eh, Agnes?
Aye. Oh, body time.
There's better of times now.
Now then, folks, get yourselves set.
Ain't it fine to see him that pleased? Be to read a reel, Mr. Fiddler?
Aye, it had best be a reel.
I doubt there isn't over much room.
We'll make the best of we can.
They stand opposite to begin the dance. I wish Margaret could clap eyes on the old chap now.
Aye, so do I.
Now then, whisht, Willie. I'm just on.
Right, Father, we're ready.
Now. Nay, it's ganged.
What's gang, Father?
The music.
It'll come back right enough. Let's see if I can mind the tune. Yon's it.
Oh, yon's it. Aye, yon's it. I've got it now. Nay, I've not.
It's like this. You'll think on.
Aye. Nay, it's ganged.
You'll get it in a minute, you'll see. We'll give him a lead, missus. They begin to dance and whistle and she sings the tune.
Whist, Willie. Daren't I say it was ganged? They stopped abruptly, taken aback by his wrath. He gets to his feet, looking round. There's naught left of the things I used to know.
You're out of practice, that's what it is.
It's Margaret's blame for not letting you play.
Aye, but she let me nurse fiddle on my knee, and tunes was singing in my head all the time. Now I've come back, they won't sing no more.
They'll sing right enough afore so long.
I'd have done better to stop where I were.
Nay, now, Father, you mustn't say that.
At Margaret's I see this spot as plain, and my missus stirring through the rooms. I see the bits of sticks we bought when we was wed, and the hearth where we sat together of a night. But now I'm back, I can't see they things any more.
Times change, Dad, but we'll make you comfortable, I'm sure.
Ah, you can't bring back the dead to the lone living. You can't put back the laylock by the door.
Nay, I wish I could.
At Margaret's I had 'em both.
Aye, but it's your old home, Father, when all's said.
'Tisn't home when the music all ganged.
You'll settle after a bit.
I'll settle none, not I.
It's early days to say that.
I'm going back to Margaret.
Well, I never.
Nay, Father, you're not.
Aye, but I am that. I shouldn't have come. Folks was going once to bide away.
What? She's as bad to you as an old witch. She doesn't do right by you at all.
I care nought for that, if I have the rest.
Nay then, you'll gang none, and so I tell ye. What like fools do you think we'll look after all the trouble we've been took and all?
I've got to gang.
Well, you won't, and that's flat.
Let me gang.
I'll not.
Couldn't you just bide the one night? You'll feel a deal better tomorrow, and it's real comfortable upstairs.
I'm feared to gang upstairs. Now, lad, get by.
Nay.
I'll not bide, I won't. I mun seek they things as I've lost. Mun I crack fiddle over thy damned head?
Let him be, the poor old man.
Nay, Dad, don't take on. You shall gang if you want.
I can gang to Margaret.
Aye, if you're that set.
We'd best be off then. Where's bundle?
Here be.
You've gone and hid me hat.
Nay, it's here.
I can't bide to think of you going back to yon hard woman and yon poor house.
It's never a poor house where folks find their dreams. Me lass.
Goodbye,
Goodbye,
Father.
me lass.
Catch hold of my arm, Dad.
Aye, I'll be best with Margaret.
Oh dear.
I know.
Oh, that's,
Isn't it
that's
sad?
awful.
I
I think you gave it a bit more than what I did. More.
Oh.
Old folks should have the best of what's going. It's Margaret's nastiness. That's what it is. She knows Father's glad to be shot of her at last, and she's by way of having a slap.
That'll be it. You're not taking kindly to the ham, I doubt.
It don't taste same as it used. I reckon there's no pig's gang.